My time in Kabul, Afghanistan is coming very slowly to an end, but I've had a fantastic time here. Lovely to see all the fans coming out to support the game of cricket, and I had an opportunity to go out last night, had some kebab, some karai, some shiriak, so I really feel like a local back here, and I thought to myself, why not get the pakora, why not get the waskat, and make sure I look like everybody who comes to the cricket. So I've thoroughly enjoyed my time. It's unfortunate that I've only got a couple of days left in Kabul, but the cricket's been fantastic, the people have been hospitable, and I look forward to coming back to such a wonderful country with loving. So last night went out to one of the popular streets for dinner, had some kebab, managed to prepare my own kebab as well, sat with the ACB media group and some friends that I've met in Kabul so far. We had a wonderful dinner, and I really look forward to having one more dinner tonight. I hope whoever's out there can hear what I'm saying before I make my way home to Zimbabwe tomorrow. But Kabul is a lovely place. I've enjoyed the weather. The people here are wonderful, loving people, and I look forward to coming back to Kabul for another shpagiza in years to come.